Hello guys, my name is Sharky and I'm doing a big Still a Branded giveaway. I'm going to give away this Garama. If you want, this is my best thing. If you want, you can pick maybe La Ginger or this Cursed La Romantic, but I don't really know if I'm going to be generous. I will give, but I'm going to give away Garama. And I'm doing that on 20 subscriber. We need 7 more subscriber, but we can do that. And please subscribe to do a giveaway. Oh no, not on 20 subscriber. Yeah, please subscribe and like, and maybe in like 3 days I'm doing giveaway. And see you guys in next video. Bye. Make sure to comment your username to add you. Make sure and like and subscribe. Bye.